Yeah, so what? My name is Cody Star, here, Orange RockCorps. It's at my studio in Digital Holdings. You know, Cody, Crazy Cousins, Flukes outside. The experience today has been good, man. I think you should definitely volunteer for the Orange RockCorps because you get a free ticket. How about that? Yeah? And the day has been real good. We get to do some painting. I was just DJing all day. You know, DJing is what I like to do. I was just doing my thing. But yeah, Orange RockCorps. It's definitely something you want to volunteer to do, man. Peace out. Cody Star. Crazy.